Hey guys, what's going on? I'm John Malecki, and in this video, I upgrade my Outfeed table. Check it out. All right, so what's going on here is you can pretty much see that I am chopping down all of the rough stock for the build. I'm using a soft maple here. I had a bunch left over from the giant bookshelf project I did this summer, and a 1/2-inch plywood. A couple super easy techniques throughout the video, but for the most part, I'm just building a box. So now I'm gonna trace and cut out all of the handle profiles on the bandsaw here. I'll use a template on the router table, and that's how I'll get them all to be perfect. Except I screw up in the video and one tears out and I have to fix that off camera. But in theory, it's great. So now you can see I'm over here at the drill press. I'm using a Forstner bit. I believe it's 1 3/4. It's the biggest one I got. I'm gonna take that, cut a hole in the center of the drawer faces. Then on the bottom side, chamfer that edge with a pattern chamfer bit in my router table, and then I'll use a round over bit to make it all smooth. Here, all I'm doing is installing drawers, which I hate, but it's part of the job. There's a lot of drawers there. They go in pretty smoothly. This is a pretty standard technique. The KREG jig things are awesome. Check those out, link down below, as well as a link to a full plan if you want to build this yourself. So I am super excited about this. I've had this in the plans for a little over a year now, just never really got around to it. Have a ton of extra storage here. I really dig how these handles came and turned out. I think they look awesome. Tons of techniques in here that you typically don't get on shop projects, which I find can be extremely helpful, not only for people that are looking to upgrade their shop, but anyone that's looking to kind of put a twist on simple things in furniture like drawer pulls. Really digging the walnut accents here, as well as in the side of the drawers here. I want to send a big thank you to Woodcraft for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited to announce that I am going to be working with Woodcraft for all of 2018. They're by far my favorite woodworking store. The one local to me has a bunch of great staff members that can answer all my questions and handle anything I need as well. So really excited about that. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video, and I'm really looking forward to the future here. Lastly, I appreciate each and every one of you that have tuned in. If you have questions, leave them down below. I'd love to have you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Gonna be cranking out as many videos as I can this year. This is my main focus, and I'm hoping you guys dig it. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see what I'm doing day to day. And besides that, go out there, punch your next project in the face, and I'll see you on the next video.